Hello my loves, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we will be affirming some positive affirmations to set the tone for a blessed and grateful day. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes. I will repeat the affirmation once. You can either repeat it out loud or in your mind. And also remember to focus on your breaths while we're affirming these statements. Take slow, deep breaths in and out. Okay, so we're gonna start. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. I am grateful for this new day and all the opportunities it brings. I am blessed with the gift of life and I choose to make the most of it. I am surrounded by love and positivity, and I attract more of it into my life. I am strong, healthy, and capable. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I am grateful for my body and all that it allows me to do. I am grateful for the abundance in my life, and I am open to receiving more. I am confident in my abilities and trust that everything will work out for my highest good. I am surrounded by supportive and loving people who believe in me. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am grateful for all the lessons I have learned. I am grateful for the opportunities to learn and grow that come my way. I am grateful for the beauty and wonder of the world around me. I am filled with gratitude and positivity, and I know that today will be an amazing day. I am focused and determined. I am so grateful and very blessed for this moment. Today is gonna be an amazing day. Alright, my loves, thank you so very much for giving me this opportunity to affirm these positive affirmations with you. Remember, you have the power to create a beautiful, blessed, and amazing day. Choose positivity and gratitude and watch the magic unfold. Have a blessed day, my loves. Namaste.